Misha with Winnie Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to do a bench at the end of your tub. There's going to be an area for them to put their shampoo, soap, knickknacks, whatever. We wanted to make sure that the tub is centered under the window, so that's kind of where the tub lands. And now we're going to figure out how to build this little wall. Okay, so our wall is going to come out to 35.5 because it's going to be matching the wall on the other side. This way, we're at 16.75. I want the top of my finished tile to be at 21. So take 1/2 inch for tile and thin set, take 1/2 inch for our waterproofing. So we're looking at 20 inches. So our wall height is going to be 20 inches. And then it's 35.5 by 16.75. So let's go downstairs and cut up all the framing. All right, so we have our back wall here. So that's gonna go in here. I left out the middle studs just because I wanna make sure I know exactly where to put them. So this one I'm actually gonna put on its side right here. So when I'm putting my waterproofing, there's a really nice place for it to screw in. And this one will kind of go right in the middle to provide extra stability, kind of like this. So I'm gonna screw this together and then put it back in there, and I'll show you how to get it all level. Alright, so now that our bench is perfectly level and secured in, we're gonna try to make it stronger, and that's why we overlap, like weave these corners. So we're gonna come in here, and then we gotta get the pitch now. So the pitch is supposed to be 1/4 inch. We're gonna basically here, so that once the water hits it, it runs right off. All right, so we're gonna get this one, that one, and then we're gonna get our line for the back plate. Our last step to build this bench is to get a top on it. We have 35.5, so 35.5 by 16.75, and we have 3/4 inch plywood downstairs that we're gonna cut and fit right on top of this. So let's do it. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is get some wood glue, put it around the perimeter, and then we're going to screw down our 3/4 inch plywood on top of this, and it's ready to go. All right, guys, so that's how you build a bench right here. It's super sturdy. You could park a car on it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We're gonna show more videos, kind of like how to install this tub.